Hey guys, Rakshabandhan is a festival of brother and sister and it's totally incomplete without chocolates. So today we are going to make two types of chocolates. One is filled with raspberry jam, well you can use any jam, and the another one is date and almond and it's also filled with peanut butter. So without any further ado, let's get started. But make sure that you have subscribed my channel. You can also follow me on Insta and Facebook. Let's start.
We will start off by melting the chocolate first. For that, take hot water in a pan. Make sure that the water is hot and not boiling, otherwise the chocolate might burn. Now here I am using D45 chocolate because I think it has a perfect sweetness for chocolate making. But you can use dark chocolate or milk compound. Now the chocolate will melt completely like this. Here I have two types of molds. This is the plastic one and the another one is silicone mold. There are tons of different varieties and materials available in the market. You can choose any. Now pour the melted chocolate into the cavities. Now take a tray lined with parchment paper or butter paper and turn the mold upside down like this. The excess chocolate will drip down. Now as you can see, the cavities have a thick coating inside. The coating must be thick to hold the jam filling inside. Now clean the top using scraper and I will pop it into the fridge for at least 15 minutes. And similarly, I will also prepare the silicone mold. Now this is raspberry jam. Raspberry jam tastes so good with chocolate. But it is not at all necessary to use only raspberry jam. You can use any jam. It will taste awesome. This type of mixed fruit jam are also available in the market. But you can also use pineapple jam, mango jam or any other jam of your choice. Now after 15 minutes, the chocolate has completely set down. Now take a tiny amount of jam and fill the cavities. Make sure you don't overfill because we are also pouring chocolate on the top, so that we have to keep the room for that. Now it's done. And now tape and shake the mold so that the chocolate will set down in the empty space also, and pop it into the fridge for at least half hour. Now bring out the mold and keep them aside for 2 to 3 minutes. Then tap on the back side and the chocolate will come out so easily. The silicone molds are even easy to handle. Just push the chocolate from the back side and they will pop out easily like so. Now you can keep it as it is, but I am drizzling some melted white chocolate on the top just to make it more presentable. And our jam filled chocolates are ready. Let me show you how it looks from inside. The delicious raspberry jam with chocolate. It's so tempting and inviting. Yum! And I promise you guys, you will not stop in just one. So make this in good quantity. Enjoy! To make this chocolate, take good quality almonds and dates. This is the black soft date. Choose the soft one because the soft delicious pulp perfectly goes with chocolate. Now remove the stem part. Make a slit like this. Remove the seed. Now take peanut butter. I am using creamy one, but the crunchy one also tastes awesome. Now fill the peanut butter inside the hollow dates like this. Now take an almond and put inside the date. Fill more peanut butter if needed. Now seal the date and it's done. Now keep it aside And similarly, prepare all the dates. If the date is big, then you can also put 2 or 3 almonds. Now take melted chocolate in a bowl. This is the same D45 chocolate which we used in previous chocolate. Now one by one, dip all the prepared dates into the chocolate. Give it a good bath so that the chocolate coats the date completely. Then using a fork, just shake it off so that the excess chocolate drips down. And then leave it on a parchment paper or butter paper. Sprinkle some grated pistachio or nuts on the top. It's optional, but it gives a nice taste and a presentable look to our chocolate. Now similarly, coat all the dates well. Now pop it into the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes. Our chocolates are set now. Let me show you how it looks from inside. Look at this. Isn't it inviting? It's healthy because it has dates, almonds and peanut butter. And it's so tasty, guys. A must-try chocolate this festival. Do try these chocolates and do let me know how they turned out and how much your family members loved it. I will see you soon next week with another new recipe. Till then, bye.